fascinating. And another issue, obviously, which is top of mind for everybody is climate change. Now, we've been talking about 5G. What potential does 5G help us in terms of combating climate change? But then there's also, it's kind of a double-edged sword, isn't it? Because the telecoms industry also has to become more energy efficient. So what's happening in that space, Boye?
I think basically the green transition will require a digital transformation. And we know that digital technologies can play a very meaningful role. You know, think about improving asset utilization in a supply chain, or just increasing efficiency by knowing where things are, or we can reduce waste by monitoring temperatures, for example. All of these things will need to happen. And what we see is that the ICT industry as a totality consumes about, it's called 1.5% of the world's, or generates 1.5% of the world's carbon emission, but can actually impact 15%, 1.5. So it's a material accelerator to actually improve the carbon footprint. So I think the investments in digital will be critical in order to solve the climate crisis. 5G can further accelerate that because we can connect things in a very new way, making the processes more efficient, making supply chains more efficient. So I think we have here, we've done some estimates. We're talking about more than possibly 5% uplift compared to the 15 to 20. So there are a couple of things we can do. And I think the digital industry needs to be there. Then, of course, we are a contributor also to the carbon footprint. So we invest heavily. We work together with, first of all, the big thing is hardware efficiency. So we invest in our own semiconductors that actually help us drive down energy consumption. But we also work with our customers to put in place new type of solutions, like we do deep sleep on our base stations, which done with STC here in Saudi, takes down energy consumption about 15%. And that's simple software implementation that results in relatively significant energy savings.